Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. Today I am going to show you how to use the quick marinade feature on the Food Saver 5800 series. So the first thing you're going to do is season your meat the way you would like it to be. Let's see here. I actually have to open this because I have the vacuum on it already. Playing around earlier. So you need to set your marinade tray to open. See, it says with version 300 models and up, so you keep it to open. This is the quick marinade feature. So you want to season your meat and put it in. Then you're going to turn on your Food Saver. You're going to pull out your attachment here, and then you're going to take off the bottom, which will leave you with this, and you will stick it in the little hole there, and you will hit marinade. And what this does on the quick marinade feature is it vacuum seals the container for I think a minute, and then what it will do is it'll unvacuum or push air back into it, and it'll let it sit and rest for 30 seconds, and then it'll make a vacuum again for a minute, and then it'll put air back in there and let it rest for 30 seconds, and then it'll suck the air out again. So it goes back and forth, back and forth. Sorry, I have the hiccups. And what that does is it sucks all the juices and marinades and seasonings into the meat. Mel wants to come see it and see what it is. So it's supposed to make the meat more flavorful and just taste better to like if you let it sit in the fridge overnight with seasoning on it. So I hope this helped you. If you guys wanted to know how the quick marinade feature works on the Food Saver. If you didn't want to do the quick marinade, you can just switch it to vacuum or marinate, and then you can hit the vacuum button and it'll vacuum seal it and keep it vacuumed for longer. That is also an option. So I hope this helped you out. If you guys have any questions on how it works, hit that like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys later.